Wanna create and share files from Google Drive using your phone? Today I'll show you to create a shared folder in Google Drive that your friends or colleagues can access. Be sure to watch until the end and I will share a life hack on changing the folder color for better organization. So first guys, open Google Drive on your phone and afterwards go to the Files tab just right here, click on the plus icon right there and tap Folder. Enter the name of your folder, for example, Shared Files, and tap Create to confirm the name. Yep. And open the folder. And pretty much to add the file, tap the plus icon right there and click upload. And from the files of your phone, select anything to upload, click upload again to confirm. And you can also change the folder color for easier identification. Just click the three-dot menu right there and tap change color. And from the list, select your desired color. To enable sharing, go back to your folder screen and tap the three dots again right there. Select share and enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with and set their permission as editor or viewer. So simply click send to send the invitations and that's it. You now have a shared folder in Google Drive and your friends can upload their files or view the ones already added. So if this video was helpful for you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It motivates me to create even more helpful videos. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.